This video is intended for non-technical audiences, specifically for law firms, senior partners, managing partners, and lawyers. Because I'm having discussions almost every day with law firms, and when I'm trying to sell them an advanced defense program, what I usually get as an objection is, oh, but we have an internal IT team, or we have given our defense to our IT outsourcing provider. And they have installed an antivirus, they have installed a firewall, which is very advanced, and they have installed an anti-spam solution, so we are safe. The thing is that that might have been the case 10 years ago, and it's not the case today. As I've shown you yesterday, the defense methodologies have become incredibly complex because the attack methodologies have become incredibly complex. When an attacker sees a target, when they are given a target, or when they choose a target, they have a process, and their process is very sophisticated. As you can see on your screen, their process is starting from initial access. It moves on to execution, persistence, privilege escalation, defense evasion, credential access, discovery, lateral movement, collection, command and control, exfiltration, and impact. If they had a project manager, and they usually do, because attackers are also part of attacking organizations, they have teams, they have managers, they have KPIs, just as we do. And first they need to obtain initial access into an organization. They can do that by executing a drive-by compromise or using a public application, using an exploit against a public application. They can plug in a hardware device into your network. They can send your employees a spear phishing link. And so there are many ways to obtain initial access, and only 10% of those can be stopped by your firewall or your antivirus. And to make a malware piece undetectable by an antivirus, all they need to do is spend 10 minutes of their time, and the malware they've just created will become undetectable by your antivirus for the next 24 or 48 hours. I'm just showing you this graph, if I could say, this table of attack methods used by attackers to illustrate that they are very organized. They're very sophisticated. They don't work alone. And even if they work alone, they will follow the same process to get from initial access to causing impact to your organization. And please get over the notion that an antivirus and a firewall is all you need to defend, because it has not been the case for the past 10 years.